I'm Roselle with buildersrisk.net, and in today's video we will be discussing builders risk insurance and why it's so important for anybody involved in construction in Miami. So if you want to protect your investment, keep watching this video. Builders risk insurance is also known as course of construction insurance, or simply put, hazard insurance, and is your project's protective shield offering coverage to your property while it is under construction. Coverage also extends to your materials, supplies, and even equipment used throughout the construction process. Who needs builder's risk? Now, whether you are the contractor, the property owner, or even an investor, you will benefit from having a builder's risk policy. Now, let's say you are doing construction in Miami and you're taking out a loan to fund the construction. The lender will require you to have a builder's risk policy. Now, if you're fortunate enough to not need a loan and can fund construction yourself, then you definitely need a builder's risk so that you protect your investment. What does builder's risk typically cover? So it covers physical damage to your property while it is under the course of construction. It also includes coverage for things like materials, equipment, and supplies used for the construction process. You can include coverage for things such as soft costs like architectural fees, debris removal, and even building ordnance. What is not covered? So the most common exclusion for Florida properties, or better said, Florida properties that are close to the coast, is a wind exclusion. This means there is no coverage should a claim arise due to heavy winds, tropical storms, or hurricanes. Tools and vehicles used at the job sites, earthquakes, flooding, and acts of terrorism are also usually excluded from this policy. Now, coverage can easily be added back so that you have coverage for these things in the form of an endorsement. So how can you get builder's risk in Miami? Now, builder's risk is a fairly simple policy to get. At buildersrisk.net, we work with only the top A-rated insurance companies throughout the United States, which means we can shop around a quote for you to get you the best coverage at an affordable rate. Our agents can also go through coverage so you have a clear understanding of what is included in coverage and, importantly, what is also excluded in coverage. Finally, how much does it cost? Now, Builder's Risk offers tailor-made coverage to the project owner, which means cost will directly correspond with the amount of protection you require. Things such as construction type and construction budget will also impact the price. Now, a general rule of thumb is that you can expect to pay between 1% and 5% of your construction budget on your Builder's Risk policy. If you're working with a lender, they can usually cover the costs of your policy. Buildersrisk.net can work directly with your lender to secure payment on your behalf. We can also make sure that your policy meets the bank's requirements, so that it's one less thing that you need to think about. So before your next construction endeavor in Florida, explore your builder's risk options. Give buildersrisk.net a chance. Simply give us a call at the number on your screen or click the link in the description box to get a quote. Remember, protection is the key to success. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and build with confidence in Miami.